Cleaning your home doesn't have to be hard anymore. Today I'm sharing some of the best smart cleaning and home care gadgets that can save you time, effort, and energy. From robot vacuums to powerful steam cleaners, these products are perfect for a cleaner, smarter home. All product links are in the description. Let's get started. First up, we have the iRobot Roomba 105 Smart Robot Vacuum. This smart robot vacuum cleans your floors automatically while you relax. It easily picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair and works great on both hard floors and carpets. Perfect for busy homes. Next up is the SENMO 14-in-1 Steam Mop, a powerful, all-in-one cleaning solution for your home. It uses high-temperature steam to remove dirt, grease, and germs, without any harsh chemicals. With 14 different attachments, you can clean floors, tiles, kitchens, bathrooms, windows, and even upholstery. It's perfect for families, pet owners, and anyone who wants deep cleaning with minimal effort. Check the link in the description. Next on our list is the KACTOR Cordless Electric Mop, designed to make floor cleaning fast and effortless. This lightweight cordless mop features powerful rotating pads that scrub away dirt and stains with ease. Its rechargeable battery gives you hassle-free cleaning without tangled wires. Perfect for hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate floors, this mop is ideal for daily cleaning and quick touch-ups. Next on our list is the AIRTOK 2 Pack Air Purifier. These compact purifiers help clean the air in your home, removing dust, pollen, pet dander, and unpleasant odors. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any small space, they create a fresher, healthier environment for you and your family. With 2 units included, you can place one in the living room and one in the bedroom for maximum coverage. Check the link in the description. Next on our list is the ToLife Dehumidifier. This compact device helps remove excess moisture from your home, preventing mold, mildew, and musty odors. It's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, or any small space that needs a little extra dryness. Quiet, energy efficient, and easy to use, it keeps your living spaces comfortable and healthy all year round. Next on our list is the Clorox Toilet Plunger. This durable plunger makes clearing clogs quick and easy, so you never have to stress over a backed-up toilet again. Its sturdy handle and suction cup design provide maximum efficiency with minimal effort. Perfect for every bathroom, it's a small tool that makes a big difference in keeping your home clean and functional. Next on our list is the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. This powerful washer makes cleaning outdoor surfaces fast and effortless. From patios and driveways to cars and garden tools, it blasts away dirt, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for quick cleaning jobs around the house without the hassle of harsh chemicals. Next on our list is the Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. This handy tool makes cleaning gutters safe and effortless, letting you reach high spots without a ladder. Its extendable design and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver, while the precision nozzle helps flush out leaves, debris, and dirt. Perfect for maintaining your home's gutters and preventing water damage, it's a must-have for any homeowner. Check the link in the description. Next on our list is the SIMPLI-MAGIC Spin Mop. This innovative mop makes floor cleaning effortless with its 360-degree spinning head that quickly wipes away dirt and spills. The lightweight design and easy-to-use ringing bucket mean you can clean without bending or straining your back. Perfect for hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, it's ideal for quick daily cleaning or deep scrubs. Next on our list is the BISSELL Turbo Upright Vacuum. This powerful vacuum makes keeping your floors spotless, quick, and easy. Its strong suction picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for everyday cleaning and tackling tough messes around the house. Check the link in the description to see today's price and deals. Next on our list is the Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. This smart cleaner uses ultrasonic technology to remove dirt, grime, and oils from your jewelry, watches, glasses, and even small household items. It's fast, efficient, and easy to use. Just add water and let it do the work for you. Perfect for keeping your accessories sparkling like new without harsh chemicals or scrubbing. Check the link in the description. Next on our list is the BEAMNOVA Handheld Steam Cleaner. This powerful steam cleaner makes tackling tough stains and grime around your home quick and easy. Its handheld design allows you to clean kitchens, bathrooms, countertops, and even upholstery with precision. Chemical-free and eco-friendly, it's perfect for deep cleaning and sanitizing without harsh cleaners.
Next on our list is the AGORVIO window cleaning robot. This smart robot makes cleaning windows effortless and hands-free. It easily glides across glass surfaces, removing dirt, dust, and streaks with precision. Perfect for home or office windows, including hard-to-reach areas, it saves you time and keeps your windows sparkling clean. Next on our list is the Kssvzz 3-pack automatic trash can. These smart trash cans open automatically with just a wave of your hand, keeping your kitchen clean and hygienic. The sleek, modern design fits any space, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. With 3 sizes included, you can place them in the kitchen, bathroom, or office for ultimate convenience. Check the link in the description. Next on our list is the pet hair removal tool. This handy tool makes removing pet hair from furniture, carpets, and clothes quick and easy. Its ergonomic design and effective bristles grab hair fast without damaging surfaces. Perfect for pet owners who want a cleaner home without constant sweeping or vacuuming. Check the link in the description and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart home gadgets and cleaning tips.